Hello, everyone. Joshua Selvage, CTO of PurpleSec here again. Today, we're going to talk about another AI attack. In this case, we're looking at an attack on NPM. Popular NPM package got compromised. Attackers updated to run a post-install script that steals secrets. So the way in which this is done is, again, through a prompt injection. Taking a look at the attack report here, which we're looking at Stack Overflow, good name, on X. The key takeaway here is that ultimately the package includes this prompt here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that prompt itself, which starts here at const. We'll take the whole constant. We could do the prompt itself. In fact, let's do that just to demonstrate that what we're really looking at here is the prompt itself and the intent behind it. I don't want to catch any script stuff here. Go ahead and run that through this analyzer. Now with attacks like this, what we're able to do, we'll pop back over here real quick while that runs in the background, is pull out all kinds of system variables. In this case, you can see it's actually matching a wallet, a key store wallet. So this would be something you'd want to use as a crypto stealer if you were a bad guy, or maybe you want to redirect any of their Bitcoins. Theoretically, this same type of attack can be done to do anything that you want. Also, key takeaway here, Linux and Mac OS. So this is not some Windows limited thing. I know people love to think that Mac is a lot more hardened against attacks. Maybe it is, but not against AI. Taking a look here at the prompt again, we're having it recursively search these local paths and creating a dump inventory file of things like Trezor, Ledger, Metamask. So crypto stealing is what we're trying to do here. See another high. High is going to be consistent across the board. Most AI attacks are high risk, and depending on how vulnerable the rest of the system is, they can be even higher risk. Remember that this is just one piece of the entire risk equation, which includes the robustness of the system itself and whatever the AI is being hosted on. In this particular attack type, it is another command injection. We're attempting to do data exfiltration, and there are some security misconfigurations that require access to directories, which they should be only protected by root, but if you've got too much power in your AI, it can bypass that. We've seen this before out there. Now, recommendations, monitoring for suspicious commands, implementing file access controls, educating your users. Caveat here is you've got to, again, be able to detect it, especially if you want to prevent it with IPS and WAF. So what we're showing off here is that we can detect it. We've got that intent matching built into this system, and this is yet another valid attack that our prompt WAF is going to be able to keep you protected from.